Well, hello there, everybody. Hello, hello. This is Reverend Wilson with the Mail Money Secrets. Oh my God, I haven't done a video on this system in a while, but folks, this thing is popping and hopping for 2024. Lord have mercy. If you ain't in the Mail Money Secrets, you missing out on some awesome $100 payments. I'm going to take you right to a presentation that we did a while back. And I want you to watch this and I want you to get involved. You see this right here? Mail Money Secrets. Folks, this is the postcard right here. This is the postcard right here. That if you can mail this postcard, my God, I said you can win and you can win big. It is 2024. You can literally turn your mailbox into your own personal ATM with this powerful Mail Money Secrets postcard. Go ahead and screenshot this and call this number right here and listen to the recorded hotline. Folks, you don't want to miss this. You don't want to miss this. Hello. You don't want to miss this. And I want to play you something. I want you to listen closely. I want you to get involved and get started today because great things are happening. All righty. Hello there, everybody. This is Reverend Wilson, the direct mail expert with the Mail Money Secrets. This is it right here, folks. The Mail Money Secrets. Right here, and right in front of you, right here. Folks, you can see how $100 started a $20,000 explosion in just 6 days. Yes, in just 6 days. Folks, this is incredible. And if you can mail a postcard promoting the Mail Money Secrets, folks, this is the actual physical product that you receive when you become an affiliate with the Mail Money Secrets. How to make millions in direct mail marketing. This is the physical product. This is the book that everyone in direct mail needs. By reading and implementing what you learn in this book, your entire life is going to change. This book contains the knowledge of testing, failing, and then winning in direct mail marketing. The secrets of direct mail marketing are in this easy to read book. Folks, this is the book that you need. But not only that, if you can mail this simple postcard right here, the Mail Money Secret postcard, which is 100% automated, 100% proprietary, 100% cash payments, 100% honest and truthful, no computer required, no selling required, no setup required, no fulfillment required. And you can listen to this recorded hotline that explains everything. And guess what? It's only $100, folks, to get started. It's only $100 to get started. Lifetime membership, one-time payment of $100 cash to register. And folks, you will receive a postcard just like this with your information on it right here, no one else's. So guess what? All the $100 cash payments come straight to you. Now, I'm doing something very crazy. This is a one-time, there's no residual income here. But what I want to do for you to get you up and running fast and receiving these $100 cash payments fast, I'm going to mail 500 postcards for you as a bonus. But you got to get in now. This is a limited time offer, and you got to get in now. Once you get your Mail Money Secrets package, you can get started immediately with no computer and absolutely no selling. Folks, this postcard does all the selling, telling for you. You don't even have to have your phone number on the postcard if you don't want to, because your prospects are going to call the recorded hotline right here, 267-833-0592. That is the recorded hotline right there. And folks, this system is so powerful. You're going to get a startup kit just like this right here. This is what you're going to receive in the mail here. Here is the startup package right here. Here's the startup package right here. Everything you need to know is in this package. And this is the actual book that you receive, Mail Order Secret, packed with information. Look at that. Packed with information, folks, of how you can make millions in direct mail. Can you invest $100 into yourself to get the knowledge right here, and then also be able to make $100 for getting this information in others' hands? Folks, this is absolutely incredible. And there's also back end money that you can make as well, from $1,000 up to $9,000 on the back end. Folks, this is a lifetime membership, not a monthly fee, no admin fee. Folks, this is absolutely incredible. If you can put a stamp right here and put a lead right here and mail this postcard, mail 20 a day, folks, the sky is the limit to what you can make. Mail Money Secrets, 100% automated system. Folks, this is powerful. Folks, we have helped so many others in direct mail. We can help you. I want to take a little second for you to watch and read these testimonials of the people that I have helped, and these same people that I've helped. Folks, I can help you, and I'll be right back. And there you go, folks. I can help you. I can help you. I can help you. If you can mail a postcard, folks, I can help you. Well, I told you I wasn't going to be long here, but hey, all the information is in the description of this video. You can get started actually right now, and I'll go ahead and put up my Cash App information here so that you can have it, and I can get you started right now. I can get you started right now. There we go, right there. There's my Cash App information. You just send $100 over to the Cash App, $ Pastor Andre Wilson. And folks, we're going to get this thing rocking. And we're going to get your mailbox stuffed with $100 cash payments from this powerful postcard system. I don't know about y'all. I'm excited. I got my t-shirt on. I'm relaxed. I had dialysis today, so I'm just chilling here. But I wanted to shoot this and let y'all know that the mail money secrets is still hot for 2024. And there's the Cash App information, $ Pastor Andre Wilson. You can also call me at any time on my cell phone. That information is in the description of this video as well. And then here's my number right there. Also, 330-949-4259. Hey, I appreciate y'all, and I welcome you to the team of Mail Money Secrets. Don't wait. Get in today. God bless.